Hi, I'm Blake. Welcome back to another On the Road video, brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. What you will need for this repair is a Torx bit screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Today we're replacing a built-in Kenmore touchpad. The reason we're replacing the touchpad is because the start button does not work, the door switch is working because the lights did come on, and most of the buttons do not work. Only a couple work. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. To start the repair, we take out the 8 Torx bit screws. I've loosened these first 4 up already. And then I have to finish taking out the top 4. Once that is done, we split the top open and prop this up so the door stays open. Step 2, we take off the cover for the control panel. There's a clip right here, pop that clip up, this just slides right out. Set that over to the side. We're going to take the actuator for the soap dispenser, the main control board, and the door switch and flip it forward so we can take the control panel off. We're gonna need a 1/4-inch screwdriver in this step. 1 screw here, 2 screws on the soap dispenser. The door switch, the screws are already out from the Torx bits. 1 more screw in the left corner of this panel here. We release the ribbon cable for the touchpad, and then all this will flip forward. To remove the old touchpad, there's 2 clips on the corners here. Push those down, and this touchpad should slide out. That's the old touchpad. To install the new touchpad, you put it in the reverse way that you took the old touchpad out. This pops in here. And that is installing the new touchpad. Now that we have the new touchpad in, we reinstall the board, the soap dispenser, and the door switch. Now that they're all in place, we're going to reinstall the 1/4-inch screws. Okay, right here we're going to plug in the new touchpad to the board. Last step, we put the cover back on for the control board. There's going to be 2 slots over here, and it clips right back into the same spot that it was before. Now that we've finished replacing the touchpad, we'll put the cover back on for the board. that back into place, and we reinstall the 8 Torx bit screws. Now that we've finished reinstalling the new touchpad, we're going to turn the power back on and run it through a test cycle. To test the touchpad, what we will do is we will test all of the buttons, make sure they are all working properly. And then cancel it out, and we are good to go. Thank you for watching another quality in-home video, brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Hi, I'm Blake. Welcome back to another On the Road video, brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. What you will need for this repair is a Torx bit screwdriver and a 1/4-inch nut driver. Today we're replacing a built-in Kenmore touchpad. The reason we're replacing the touchpad is because the start button does not work. The door switch is working because the lights did come on, and most of the buttons do not work. Only a couple work. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always